Hi friends, welcome to another session with your Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Tindora fry. This Tindora fry, the way we have made it today, is very popular at our house and I'm sure you guys are also just going to love it. So to make this recipe, we need 1 kilo Tindora or tendli or Dondakaya or Kovakai, whatever we call it. 5 grams or 2 green chillies. We have taken the less spicy variety. 8 grams of 4 red chillies. We have used bedgi chili. 2 teaspoon tamarind or imli. Half teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi. 1 teaspoon jaggery or good. 150 grams or 2 medium sized onions finely sliced. Salt to taste. 4 tablespoon coconut oil. Chop each tindora into long pieces. We have chopped each tindora into 4 long pieces like these. Rub some salt on the tindoras and set them aside for 30 minutes. Salting them makes the tindora soft and easy to cook. Now after 30 minutes, squeeze the water from the salted tindora. This is a very important tip, salting the tindoras, and then once the tindoras leave water, squeeze the water. Now heat oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, add urad dal. Add in the red chillies. Add tamarind. And now when the red chillies are fried but have not changed color, at this stage, remove the chillies and tamarind with a perforated ladle and keep aside to cool. Add in asafoetida powder and turmeric powder. Now add in the tindora. Mix well and stir. We have used a cast iron pan and we are just going to cook this on a medium flame right now. Now lower the flame and let the vegetables cook on a low flame. From now on the flame will be low. Crush the fried red chillies and tamarind in a mortar pestle. This is the only spice that we have used for this, I mean majorly at least. After 15 minutes of cooking on a low flame, add in green chilies to the tendli or tindora. Add crushed red chilies and tamarind. Mix well and give it a good stir. Remember, the flame is low now all along and will be low till the end. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Add sliced onions. This is again something different we have done. We have added in the onions at the end. Usually onions are added at the beginning, but here we are adding them at the end. Why do we do this? Because we want the tindora to be crisp and the onions leave water. Adding the onions at the end gives the by now dry tindora a certain softness. Now let it simmer until the onions are slightly browned. But do stir it intermittently. Add in some jaggery. Now the onions are cooked. The tindora sabzi is ready. It looks awesome and smells amazing. Now let us serve it. Do try out this wonderful recipe and give us the feedback. If you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe. Like, comment, share as well. Okay? Bye for now. See you with another recipe soon.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.